Why choose AMOR CNC Gasket cutting machine?
First, various cutting tools can be configured.
Cutting non-asbestos,
Rubber plate, graphite reinforcing plate, Teflon plate, silicone rubber, resin plate and other sealing materials. Second, satisfy the high precision cutting of gasket. X-axis is driven by double Mitsubishi servo motor and precision reducer, equipped with high precision rack and Taiwan guide rail. Third, without CAD drawing. The software has built-in 50 cans of gasket drawing. Just input the data and you can get the cutting pattern, and can automatically nest according to the plate size. Fourthly, AMOR oscillating knife adopts Mitsubishi servo motor of Japan, France Schneider Electric and other imported accessories. AMOR precision machine with 2-year warranty is an expert in sealing gasket cutting.